Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms. I'm down at our campgrounds with our 1952 Ford Model 8N tractor. And this is a tractor that doesn't get used a whole lot. It's kind of an auxiliary one. And I got a new product that I just got in, and it's one I'm going to end up having to use on here. So I thought I'd come down here and show it to you. This tractor's been sitting for a little bit, and it's got one of the front tires was flat on me when I came down. So I've got a inflator. Pick this up. They've got them on Amazon, on Temu. It's rechargeable. You just charge it up and you take it with you, so you don't have to plug it in anywhere. Also, whenever I'm out on something that sits around a lot, I always take my DB Power, I call it the brick, the jump starter, which, those things are awesome. Got it out here with me, but it started up with no problem. So we're going to take this out of the box. I took it out last night just to charge it, although it was completely charged when I took it out. So I just stuck it back in. I haven't tried using it yet. Basically, it's just a little brick-shaped design. Turn it on. And then you can set it for... It's set for a car right now. You can set it for a car, for a bike, for a couple of different things. So that way you're, I guess, the amount of inflation that goes in. The other things that come with it in the box is the hose that hooks up to it, a USB power cord, and some little inflator things if you're using them for basketball or something like that, and some instructions. So basically all you do is you just take this and you screw it in up top here. Then once you got it on, you just hook it into your air valve and turn it on. It took me a minute to figure out how to get it started, but once you get it in, you set the pressure and you just tap this button right here and it starts inflating. I'll put a link to these in the comments section down below if you're interested in one. It's a nice way that you can take a little air compressor with you if you've got an outbuilding, a barn, stuff that you don't have access to electricity on. Easy way to inflate a flat tire. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Until next time, have a great day.